Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's jump right into the video now without wasting a second, showing you how you can change your email. Now there's two ways. There aren't doing like the exact things I'm going to show you now. If you head over to settings here, and you click on change now, here in store details you have store email. So you can click on store email, click on this pencil here icon, and then you can change if you want to change. If you are looking to change the store email, you're gonna have to delete this one and add a new one. If that's what you're looking for, that's where you have to go. Settings, store details, email, and change the email from here. If that's not what you're looking for, you want to change the email of your account, of your Shopify account, you're gonna have to head over here, and then here we have manage account. Click on that. Now here we have email details, email, and then verified, and then you can click on update. You're gonna have to verify your new email, but also you're gonna have to verify with your password before changing your Shopify account. So just enter your password and then click on next, and then you can enter your new Shopify email. They're gonna send you a code, verification on your email, and then you just enter that code, and now you verify your email, you change your email, and that's all you had to do. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.